Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use Indeed to find a job. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Indeed.com website right here, and after doing that, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. So guys, now to get started with finding a job, we first need to go ahead and log into your account or create one if you do not have one already. So you can do that by clicking the sign in button right here that's going to go ahead and appear. Click on sign in, and after that, you can go ahead and either create a new account or log into one, and after logging into your account, you'll be back to this home page right here. So guys, as you can see in this homepage right here, we can go ahead and get started for finding a job that we want. So guys, in this first field right here, you can select what you're looking for. You can enter a company name, or you can maybe enter what kind of qualifications you're looking for, or if they're hiring immediately, or if it is part-time, work from home, doesn't matter. I'm going to go ahead and select hiring immediately, and here you're going to go ahead and select what area you want to search the jobs for. So I'm going to select New York, and after that, I'm going to click on search, and after that, it's going to give me a list of all of the jobs that are hiring immediately in New York. So as you can see, experienced house cleaners or family guidance professional, it doesn't matter. Here are all the ads, and you can go ahead and click on an ad to see all the info such as the pay and so on. And here you will have the button to go ahead and apply on the company site, which will take you to the company site where you can send your CV, resume, and so on, and apply for the job. And that is how to find a job. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.